So I want to go ahead and cover getting lots of questions about, hey, how do I go get Quantower? What's the best version of Quantower to get? And I'll give you a few tips. Currently, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to get Quantower for basically free is to do it through the daytraders.com website. And they're a prop firm. That's one way. And I'll show you a few other ways you can get the platform full feature. What do they call it? The full feature pro version. That's the version I have. I didn't have to pay for it. I actually got it with data feed through daytraders.com. So let me just show you a little bit about the Quantower website first, and then I'll show you the very kind of nice way you can go get the Quantower platform just by initiating a prop firm account. And with the 75% off promo right now through daytraders.com, you can get that access pretty cheap. So I'm currently on the quanttower.com website. Let's scroll down to the very bottom here. And the company is based out of, they're in the EU region. They're not US based, they're EU region based. But I've been loving the platform. I definitely think it's about probably a two-tier upgrade from NinjaTrader 8. It's definitely built for, a much more modern software architecture, uses a much higher version of Microsoft .NET for various functionality. So it's a really good platform. And I can tell it's built for the future. So as NinjaTrader 8 is getting older and older and showing its age, and the recent updates to NT8 have been very, very buggy, Quantower is kind of running away from NT8 when it comes to a bit more sophisticated and a much more modern software architecture and modern trade platform. So let's go look at the connections. That's the page you want to go to. And here's the places where you can get the all paid features for free. I think they call it Full Feature Pro. So those of you in the US, you can have AMP brokerage to trade futures, Binance futures, Top Step. I can't stand Top Step's trading rules. I think they're weird and they're getting weirder. I stopped trading at Top Step like back in 2022, I think it was. Optimus Futures, Bybit, and a few others. Then there are other connections that you can connect to the platform. You can connect Apex through Rhythmic Feed, Bar Chart, Bitfinex, Bitrex, BitMEX, Coinbase Pro, Canon Trading, Bar Chart. There is a lot of connections. CTrader, Crypto.com, CTS. Anybody using that? Earn to Trade, Prop Firm, Elite Trader Funding. If you're into the FX stuff, you got FX Pro, one of the heavy hitters on the FX trading side, Dubai-based and Cyprus-based. IC Markets, you can connect interactive brokers and IQ Feed, DTN.IQ Feed. Kraken, let's see some of the other ones. Owanda, they got bought out by, FTMO out of Europe. Pepperstone, One Up Trader, a EU-based futures trading firm. Purple Trading, we all know Rhythmic, but Take Profit Trader. You can go into Take Profit Trader and buy a Rhythmic to Quantower account and trade your, Take Profit Trader up to 550K accounts right on Quantower. Quantower has a built-in trade copier, and there you go. And TD Ameritrade. So if you have a Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab type account, you can connect that way. TradeView, great FX brokerage out of Cayman, Traders Way, Trade Pro, and some others. It's kind of surprising how many connections are possible. So there you go. So yes, you can trade your Apex accounts. Yes, you can trade your Take Profit Trader accounts right directly with Quantower. You don't have to do trade copying or any of that stuff. So lots of connections. You can get the full feature free through AMP, but there's another way to get it. You can go to daytraders.com. Now, on the front of daytraders.com website, they show you the 25K, the 50K, and the 75K account. And I personally, I only touch their Rhythmic Trail accounts. That's the only rules I like. That works for me. You can look at the other ones. That's the one I like. And that's the one that I utilize to get access to the Quantower full feature platform. And it cost me like 52 bucks to buy the prop account. Now, what I did, I don't like trading these small little prop accounts. To me, I'll trade 150Ks or higher. So trade all the 150Ks with Take Profit Trader. Been with them since 2022. I love that firm and the rules. But if you want right away to sign up with day traders and get a bigger account, there's kind of a way around getting and skipping signing up for one of these small accounts. I always suggest to go down and sign up as an affiliate. Not that you have to go out and market for day traders or anything like that. I don't. Click on that, and what's going to happen is you'll get a client portal created, and there's not that much information. It's the same type of information you typically put to sign up for a prop account is what you sign up for affiliate. Then you have a login to the client portal. You log in, and right there, when you log in, you'll have access to bigger accounts. So once you go into the client portal, like any pro accounts, those are funded accounts. I traded my first day on this particular funded account on Friday and did about 2,900. You'll see, any accounts that you have. They have eval charts and pro charts so you can see where you're at with your various accounts. These two pages need a little bit of work, in my opinion, on the graph side. The graph isn't, they need to make it so it's a little bit more responsive to what your trading actually is, show a little bit more clear equity curve. Take Profit Trader does a fantastic job in their client portal. But here, once you're in, whether you have an account with them or not, if you've at least signed up as a affiliate, you can then go in and there's the Rhythmic Trail. So let me show you what happens if you click on that button once you're in the daytrader.com website and you've created a customer profile. So when you click on that Rhythmic Trail, or if you want the static, that's fine, but I like the trailing accounts. You can go right in and you scroll down and you can see that, hey, you can get up to a 300K account. So if you don't want to sign up in the beginning for one of the little piddly accounts, I hate trading those little accounts. I don't do it. Not for me. If I'm going to spend my time doing this, I'm going to, do it on if the firm only offers me 150K as the biggest account, I'll take it. But if they offer 300Ks, I prefer that. So there you go. Now, right now, the one-time fee, remember, this is not a subscription with day traders. You pay once and you keep going until you pass or you blow that baby out. So that's a nice thing. What I will say, though, is right now they have a code to get access for 75% off. And I'm pretty sure that's still going on. So let me give you that code real quick. So right now at daytraders.com, the promo code is a 75% off promo code. It's just the letters capitalized DT, Delta Tango. So type that in the buy process. And heck, you could go buy a 25K prop account or 50K prop account for what? I don't know, 20, 30 bucks. And it's not a subscription. And then you get Quantower Full Feature Pro thrown in included. So you get a prop account you can ding around with. And then you get access to the platform for a while to make sure you like it. Try it out. See what you think of it. That, to me, right now, I think is one of the most cost-efficient ways to get access to Quantower and see why, as more and more traders get sick of the aging of NinjaTrader and their lack of bringing out a much more modern version, there's going to be a continued mass jump over to Quantower, especially on the prop firm trading side. Now, one other thing, what happens then is they give you a rhythmic connection. So you never ever go, once you get the daytraders.com rhythmic feed connection, you never actually go and ever log into the platform itself. All you have to do to get the full feature pro is take the links that daytrader.com provides to go get the platform, download it, and then you just hook up your daytraders.com sourced rhythmic feed connection. And let me cover that real quick. So it was pretty easy. I put in my daytraders username. Basically, it's an account number, the password, and then I selected daytraders.com Chicago area. But the key is, the important thing, in the beginning, you got to go down through the list, go to the letter D and find daytraders.com. You select that connection. That's like the server you're going to be on. Then you come in, fill in your two fields from the data they provide. Again, daytraders.com, Chicago area, make sure that's there. If you're US based, there's other options if you're EU based, EU region, and hit connect. Once that connects, it automatically tells your platform, hey, this is a daytraders.com guy, and he gets the full feature pro. Well, what does that gain for you? Let's cover that right now. So what that gains for you is the ability to go in to the area where you're going to go your bar type, and you can get Renkos, for instance. You can run it off tick data because you get the data feed for free as part of your daytraders.com prop account. You can use tick data. That's sub-second, nanosecond level. That's the best data. It's better than 1 second data. Then you can go in and set the brick size for your Renkos. And the beauty, they already have a dynamic, fully adjustable Renko as part of their platform. So you can go in, and I've chosen Advanced Classic where I can set different percentages of, where should one bar close and the next bar open as you do some synthetic, symmetrical or normal Renko creation, and then you hit apply. And then you have other options. You have tick bars, you have time base, Heikin-Ashi, range bar, line break, Kagi, point and figure, volume, reversal bars, delta bars, and price change count bars. So they give you a lot of bar types as an inherent part of the platform. So I've been very pleased. And here's the nice thing. Like on NT8, that was driving me nuts when trying to trade automated and talking out trade activity through trade copiers. I was getting those damn orange ghost orders all the time where I got to shut, disconnect, reconnect feed to get rid of them, driving me nuts. Haven't had a single order issue at all in any way, shape, or form on Quantower. It's just so much more reliable. And if you're going to trade like out to 20 Apex accounts or Elite Trader funding or whatever, you want your platform and the order side of things, stops and targets, rock solid reliable. So anyhow, there you have it. That's the way you can get access to Quantower. Just look at how many prop firms are adding it. And I know of two other biggies that are going to be adding it as like their primary platform. So more great things ahead for the Quantower platform and the prop firms. And if you have any questions at any time, info@gridalgo.com. And you guys have a great weekend.